Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, A.MaRee. So today's video is going to be a quick haul. I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I bought just last night from Walmart. If you guys are interested, keep watching. And before we go any further, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And do remember that I upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 6 p.m. every week. So click the notification bell so you don't miss another upload from your girl. Now let's go. Guys, I got some goodies, and really quick, it's not going to be a long haul. I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I had to pick up. I went and picked up some more rubber bands for my boys. Y'all know that their hair is absolutely too long and we braid and plait it up all the time. Plus, I went and got the goodies ouchless 30-piece band thingies. I like wearing these for the ponytails. I can't rock no other ponytail holders, but I always seem to lose them every time I buy a pack, so I have to pick up that. I was looking for a certain lash, but I couldn't find it, so I decided to pick up these, and I thought these were beautiful as well. These are the Salon Perfect 614 lashes. Kelly Strax here on YouTube uses 613, if I'm not mistaken, by Salon Perfect, and I'm always looking for 613, but I never find it, so maybe it is 614. But these are the wispy 614. So I said I was going to use the 614s. I think I like them because they're long and wispy. And we all know I love the demi wispy lashes. So I want to try those out. I did go ahead and pick up another Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. The long wearing concealer. And this one is in deep tan this time. I do have like warm tan and some other color. So I picked up deep tan as well just to see if I like this shade on me. You guys know I love the Milani concealer, so me picking up multiple shades is nothing new to me. Once I like a concealer or foundation, I get a couple of shades just to see, you know, which ones I actually do like. And this kind of replaced my Tarte Shape Tape, which y'all know I believed heart shape tape. Like, I swore by it. But this kind of really took over it. So I'm glad I picked up warm deep tan. I did pick up the new Wet n Wild lip glosses, you guys. Nobody told me about this. Wet n Wild came out with the Color Icon lip glosses. And these are actually in the, what are they called? Why did I just have a brain for it? Birth sign. I think that's what it's called. The zodiac signs. There we go.
And I'll take you 3 hours to get it down.
Okay, so they did come out with zodiac sign lip glosses, which I thought were really cute. So I did pick up Sagittarius, but then I put it back because it was like a deep purple mixed with shimmer. And I don't ever wear deep purple lip gloss, so I put that one back. And my wife is a Cancer, which Cancer color was pretty, but they didn't have no more, so I went with Pisces and I went with Gemini. So I did pick up those two, and they are very, very pretty. One is more of a goldie and one is more of a pinky nude. So I think that would be fun to, you know, kind of pop on. The other thing that I found, which Wet n Wild have came out with 3 different little sticks. And it is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer Stick. They do have the hydration stick and the makeup remover, which I think I'm going to go back and pick that up and test it out here on camera to see how well the makeup remover stick removes your makeup. I thought it was interesting, so I think I'm gonna pick that up and try it out. So you guys know I love a matte primer, so I wanted to test this out because I do have the e.l.f. hydrating stick and it sort of looks like this. So I'm pretty sure I'll be bringing this into a tutorial pretty soon. Okay, so next I found a hidden gem, I want to say. I've never seen this, but I've seen the setting spray, and when I seen this, I was like, when they came out with this? But it is the Physicians Formula Instant Ready Face Primer. You guys, I love the Instant Ready setting spray, so to have missed the face primer, I don't know where I've been, but my Walmart had it on for markdown for $5. So I do kind of want to use that and test it out and see if I like it like I like the setting spray. And Kokie Professionals, like I told you guys, my Walmart has been marking Kokie Professionals down. I don't think they're going to be selling at Walmart anymore. So I did pick up this chocolate velvet smooth eyeliner from Kokie. I didn't see no black ones, but they were $3. So I was like, okay, I'll try the chocolate. Maybe I'll like it for my eyebrows or something. But I know I never line my waterline with any type of brown, so I don't know, we'll see. But for $3, I mean, you can't beat it. So I did find these e.l.f. metallic flare highlighter, and this one is in rose gold. Now they did have one, and I want to say it said pink gold, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember the name, I'm not for sure. But you guys, so many people rave about these highlighters that the first time when I went into the store, I couldn't find one that was deep enough, because the other one was like icy, like light. So I was excited when I seen this one, which is rose gold. And a lot of people say these highlighters look wet on the skin, so I've been wanting to try it. It is not soft, I can tell you that, but I love how they did it. Like, the design in it is so gorgeous. So let's swatch. Ooh, okay, maybe this is worth it. The swatch looks like that. It does look kind of wet to the skin. Ooh, I'm gonna have to bring this out. These were $6, which I was like, okay, e.l.f., you starting to ride up there. Like,
some of the things you're selling is starting to ride.
You guys, I've been trying to find the e.l.f. putty for so long. It's sold out online, and it's not sold in our Walmart. I even found the e.l.f. 16-hour wear concealers in my Walmart, but you guys, they only have one shade. So it's like, dang, am I ever going to be able to test them out, bring them to the channel or anything? No, I guess I won't. But I'm not going to trip, because the highlight to the reasoning for this haul is because I went out and got the Profusion's Wonderless 21 Pro Pigment Shadows and Brush. You guys, this one is in Wonderless, and it has all these beautiful shades that I've been dying to dip off into. You guys, oh my god. But I did, however, see a lot of people getting Profusion in their PR boxes. Profusion has been shipping our orders, you guys, and I wish Profusion would ship out to your girl, but it's not happening yet. So I'm gonna keep buying. And you guys know that I've been loving this one, the Sienna's palette. I just did a couple of videos using this, and the Sienna's palette is bomb. Like, I actually love it, and their brushes are bomb. I've been rocking this Sienna palette. Like, you could tell how much I've been loving on it. But I've been dipping off into Sienna. But I noticed that Profusion sent everyone this festival palette. You guys, when I seen this on YouTube, oh, I was like, I gotta go get it. I gotta go do a review, and I gotta get in on this hype, because these colors are freaking beautiful. So freaking beautiful. And you guys know how I feel about yellows and golds. Like, oh my god. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys a full tutorial review on this festival palette. I hope I haven't been saying Fiesta this whole time, but it's called the Festival palette. I'm gonna bring a review and a tutorial to you guys using this palette, because this is right up your girl's alley. And that's what made me pick up the Wonderless palette as well, because the colors can bounce off of each other, if you see what I mean. The colors will bounce off of each other, and using these two palettes together will give you such fun, creative looks. I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get these two, and I got to do a video. So you guys be on the lookout. You have to subscribe, and you have to click the notification bell so you won't miss this video. And I am trying my best to learn how to do videos on Instagram. I've been going through so much. I have many videos that's like dummied down to 1 minute on my Mac right there, but because I'm an Android user, I cannot email the video to myself in order to download it on my phone and then post it on Instagram. And my wife also has a iPhone work phone. When I try to airdrop it to her phone, it comes up as a blank file. So if you guys know anything or know some channels that I could watch on how to get around that, because I am trying to build up my Instagram, and if you guys are not on my Instagram, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. Even though I'm not putting up videos, I do still put up a lot of makeup looks. So you guys should go check me out there. I will have my handle in the banner. I am trying to get better with it, as well as I'm trying to get better with my Snapchat. And hopefully I can start bringing you guys like these little mini videos, but I can't figure it out. But the reason why I brung up Instagram is because I will be doing swatches and stuff and putting it up on my Instagram and tagging Profusion in it. Hopefully they'll see your girl. But that is everything that I bought in this little mini haul. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys would like to see coming up next. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification, and share with your friends. And I'll see you diamonds in the next one.